Did you know that the average person eats about 51 pounds of pasta every single year? That's over 4,000 feet of spaghetti. Talk about carb loading. But for a pasta experience that's fast, fresh, and fun, here's the spot we just ate at Presto
Presto
Pasta.
Pasta.
It's a favorite family friendly Italian fast casual restaurant. And for a good reason. We swung by the Valencia location after visiting some friends and put their extensive menu to the test. Let's dig in, shall we? First up, the drinks. They've got the new AI cola machine, which gives you a huge number of options, as well as their 100% certified organic non GMO beverages made from only real ingredients. And I went for the delicious peach flavor, and oh my goodness, it's highly recommended, y'all, because let's just say this cheers, okay? Now, for the feast, we started with an appetizer that's always hit the spot, and it's the mozzarella marinara. Strips of mozzarella cheese, breaded, fried to golden perfection, and served with their classic marinara sauce. Next, we tackled the heartier stuff. We got the meat lasagna, an incredible dish with layers of their four cheese blend mozzarella, ricotta, parmigiana, and romano, seasoned ground beef with Italian sausage and marinara sauce. For those who like a little kick, we tried the chicken Cajun, and oh my goodness, pow pow! It's a little spicy for me, but perfect for Mr. 8. A powerful powerhouse of flavors featuring a spicy Cajun creamy sauce with that sauteed bell peppers and red onions. We also went for the creamy penne pesto with chicken breast. Oh my goodness, blended with basil, garlic, olive oil, cheese, and nuts with Italian cheeses and cream. And oh my goodness, I like that one. Need something satisfying on the go? Well, the eggplant sub was delish, toasted Parmigiano style with marinara and mozzarella. It's a perfect savory choice. And for those who are like pinching pennies, because I know I am, they actually have an amazing lunch special. Yep, we took advantage of the $11 lunch special, and this deal lets you choose between cheese or pepperoni pizza and a garden Caesar or Greek salad. And we chose pepperoni pizza with a small Caesar salad. Affordable prices and great food. Yep, I love a great deal because I'm a couponer. So this has no coupon. It's just straight up lunch special. Okay. Anywho, that's what Presto Pasta is all about. Speaking of great food, the team at Presto Pasta makes everything homemade daily in their scratch kitchen using local sourced fresh ingredients. That's how they can turn out signature dishes like these fabulous, amazing yumminess right here. So, they also love giving you plenty options. Their Pasta Easy as 1, 2, 3 menu lets you create your own custom dish. Yep, and plus they're family owned and family run for family fun. And finally, to end our incredible meal, we picked the limited time only pumpkin spice cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. That's right here at Presto Pasta. It's a legendary cheesecake with a secret blend of spices garnished with whipped cream and pecans. Presto Pasta serves your orders quick. Oh my goodness. I think that's why they're called Presto. Anywho, you can even earn points and perks with their loyalty reward program. So they also love supporting the community. So if you're looking to raise funds for your baseball team, basketball team, cheerleading team, whatever you got going on at school, or a nonprofit, you can team up with Presto Pasta and definitely ask them about holding a fundraiser for you and your school and or your nonprofit. Okay? Want more delicious news? But real quick, let me give a shout out to the Valencia team. They were amazing. Give out a shout out to Sam, the manager there. He was amazing, amazing customer service to everyone that walks in the door. And the chef in the back, you know you get a chef kiss, right? But he stayed in the kitchen. I stayed in the dining room. That's okay. Anywho, other locations are Camarillo, Simi Valley, of course, my Valencia team we were at, Granada Hills, Ventura, Santa Barbara, and follow Presto Pasta on their socials to get notified about their brand new location opening soon in Oxnard, California. Yep. So for those that are watching, thank you so much for watching, and I think you know what to do. So good, and yet they did amazing portions. I had a good bag.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.